Hello everyone and welcome to a quick Microsoft Teams tutorial. In today's video I want to show you how to unhide chats in Teams. This is actually quite simple. First I open Teams and now I'm going to hide this chat here. I right click on the chat and select Hide. The chat is gone and I have no way of getting it back here. So how do I unhide this chat again? For this I go to the search at the top and here I find the contact. If the right contact is not suggested to you, so let's pretend the same for me, I just have to enter the contact name here. Under the suggestions, I click on the right chat and select Show Hidden Chat History. The previous chat history is now displayed here again and the chat also reappears in my sidebar. If the chat is not directly available again, you just have to switch the tabs once and go back to the chat. And now you can see the chat history. And that's all you need to know. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye.